Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is using the Ubran Collection from Close to My Heart. I purchased the workshop kit with Stamp Set. Yes, I'm a consultant. That is my contact information. So if you see anything that you like, I will have the items listed below in the description box. So you can purchase the workshop kit with stamp, or you can purchase the workshop kit on its own. You can purchase the pattern paper with sticker pack. You can purchase just the pattern paper. If you want extra pattern paper, you can purchase just the stamp. You can purchase the coordinating, coordinating cardstock, yes, and the wood veneers. All right, off to my layout. This is project number 2, and it is a double page. The base for both pages is the French vanilla paper, and then on both 12 by 12 sheets of paper, because it's a double page, you measure from the top, because we're going to do stamping at the top, using the stamp that is of the downtown buildings. But anyway, take your ruler from the top and go 3 1/4 inches down, lightly draw a line. You're going to use your pewter ink from Close to My Heart. And then you're going to get out a block. That block is 3 by 3 from Close to My Heart. They are fabulous. You have to, if you have not gotten any of the acrylic stamping blocks from Close to My Heart, just buy one and you'll see exactly what I mean. And 3 by 3 is the most versatile one, but they have all the different sizes. You're going to do first and second generation stamping, and you're going to go completely across that page. Now, like I've said before, I always take my kits, be it Close to My Heart, or if you purchase a kit from Hip Kit or any place out there, you make it your own. You make it fit for you. You can add to it, take away from it, whatever works for you. So on the stamping at the top, per the instructions, they wanted you to use the sticker sheet of the downtown buildings, but I chose just to take that stamp and stamp it in the sapphire, because that's what the sticker is in a blue, because I want you to bring the blue that's in the bottom of the layout up to the top so that your eye flows across the page, you know, up and down, or it can be in an S or a C or an L. All right, now we're going to take our papers that we've pre-cut. When you get your kit, the first thing that you're going to do is gather all your papers, and then you're going to cut them per the instructions. Okay, then you take each of your pattern papers and you go through and you assemble your project. So it might tell you to grab this size, that size, and you put them in like a baggie or a file folder along with the assembly instructions that you can see over to the right with those papers. So it's all together. So when you get ready to create your layout, it's all together, okay? All right, now back to my layout. This layout is calling for the 4 by 6 and a 4 by 3 photograph. And I was originally going to flip it, but I decided to, I did flip it, because you see the photographs to the 4 by 6 is to the right, and I flipped it. All right, now here is where I'm going to make some additional alterations to this layout. Okay, it shows the bike on the larger photograph, but it's not grounded, and I like things to be grounded so it doesn't appear like my bike is just floating up there. Then I added the blue strip, the back side that I tore. The craft wood grain that I tore, I put at the bottom. Now I decided that I needed something up there to separate the French vanilla paper from that craft wood grain paper. That's just for me. I see layouts all the time that don't do that, but I like to do that. I like to add either washi tape or a strip of paper. And so that is a thin piece of washi tape with black lines going up and down. All right, here is the second page of this double page layout. Again, you're going to do first and second generation stamping. This one you don't have to stamp all the way across because I am going to use the sticker that it requests per I want to say assembly instruction, but yeah, assembling this layout, putting this layout together. All right, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm mimicking the layout to the left, the same for my layout to the right. Okay, so since I added that strip of torn paper, which is that craft, that's not in the original instructions for creating, okay? So you can scrap lift me, you can add that. If you like that look, then add it, or don't add it, just go strictly by the instructions. Make it your own, okay? Everybody will. You'll do something. It may just be one thing that you'll do different on your layout, but you will end up doing that. All right, so I'm mimicking as far as the layout, the strips of paper, adding the washi tape, the same thing as the layout that would be when you open up my album. It would be to the left. This one's going to be to the right. I'm pop dotting or putting foam adhesive on the back of this sticker so it'll pop off the page, give some more dimension and character to this layout. And then I'm going to bring in two photographs, the same thing. One is going to be 4 by 6 and the other one is going to be 4 by 3. I'm going to cut it down. All right, now you probably want to know the story behind the photographs, right? All right, this is our deck that we built at our mountain retreat property. And it was a project that, boy, am I so happy. This deck is, I think, 20 by 20. Yeah. And we built it ourselves. And we drew it out. We got a permit and it got approved. And so anyway, I'm just so excited that we did this on our own. So my title is going to be Can Do. Attitude is everything, right? So if you put your mind to it, you'll learn about it, how to put something together, and you do it. All right? So that's what I'm going to also document the story behind building this patio deck. All right, now the layout called for adding these wood veneers. I just select a different location for them. I added an additional word strip that came from the zip strip, and it says, "Let's do this." And I don't think there's anything else that I change on this layout. Oh, I know. I do decide to add some splatters, and I used an old product in my stash that's called Mr. Huey Color Mist, and it is called Dark Calico. So it's a real dark brown, and it's a matte finish. It is not glittery or has any type of gloss to it. It's a matte finish. So I add some splatters there, and there I'm showing you that you could switch it. The way I have this laid out, it doesn't matter if I put the left to the right or the right layout to the left. And here I'm adding the splatters. All right, it's all done. Get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. I would love to have you as a customer. My contact information is coming up again. This collection is available from December 1st through January 31st. So if you'd like to get your hands on it, you need to order it now. Again, I will have all the items and description listed in the description box below. All right, we'll see you again. We still have project number 3, 4, and 5. Project 5 is making cards. All right, we'll see you next time. Oh, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye, and give me a thumbs up.